Wild mustard is an annual or winter annual plant that grows about 20 to 80 centimeters, 7.9 to 31.5 in, of height, but under optimal conditions can exceed 1 meter. The plant grows in the plains and mountains, in pastures, fields, roadsides, waste places, such as railways, tips and waste ground, cultivated fields, fallow fields, gardens, clearings, orchards, shores, riverbanks, railway lines and disturbed areas. The plant primarily grows better on nutrient-rich and usually also in lime-rich soils. The plant has short taproot. Its flowers are numerous in dense, compounded clusters, as much as 12 inches long. Flower stalks are stout, 1/16 to 1/4 inch long, erect or ascending. The 4 sepals are 1/5 to 1/8 inch long, and are narrowly oblong, spreading, the edges rolled in. The 4 petals are showy, spatulate, 1/3 to 1/2 inch long, with a narrow, erect claw about half the length of the petal. And its fruits are slender, round pod that are 1.5 to 2 inches long, about 1/16 of an inch broad, and hairless to somewhat short hairy. Pods are straight or slightly up-curved, and the flattened beak 1/3 to 1/2 as long as the valves and similarly rather evidently 3-nerved. The pod angles out and up from the stem and bulges where the ripening seed is forming. There are 7 to 12 seeds with fine honeycomb patterns in each silique. Ripe seeds are smooth 1 to 1.5 millimeters in diameter. They are usually black, can also be reddish-brown, brown or greenish-brown. It has variable uses in which we mention: A. Traditional uses and benefits of wild mustard. It is good for stimulating the appetite. It is said to be good for the treatment of melancholy or depression. The Navajos used Sinapis arvensis as a ceremonial medicine. B. Culinary uses. Leaves can be consumed raw or cooked. Somewhat hot, the young leaves are used as a flavoring in salads, where they add a piquant flavor. Older leaves are used as a potherb. It is best to use just the young shoots and leaves in the spring. Older leaves are bitter. Flowering stems can be consumed after being cooked. Pleasant, cabbage, radish flavor, they can be used as a broccoli substitute before the flowers open. Stems should be lightly steamed for no more than 5 minutes. Flowers can also be cooked as a vegetable or used as a garnish. Seed can be sprouted and eaten raw. It can be added to salads and sandwiches. Seed can be ground into a powder and used as a food flavoring. Edible oil is obtained from the seed. Leaves of wild mustard are edible at the juvenile stage of the plant. They are usually boiled. Last but not least, a precautions note. The plant is possibly poisonous once the seed pods have formed. Seeds are toxic to most animals, except birds, and can cause gastrointestinal problems, especially if consumed in large quantities.